We're going to do a video on NIO stock analysis. We've got a daily chart of NIO in here for you with a blue 200-day moving average. We're going to do an hourly, a daily, and a weekly chart. And we're going to show you some algorithmically generated entry prices by RVM Research and show you how to get them free at the end. So stick with us to the very end so we'll show you all of that. This is a daily chart. You can see it bounced off the 200-day moving average here September 15th, sold off again, had great respect for the 20-day moving average, and it's been going sideways. If you take a very careful look at this, you can see this is distributing down through here. Not a very good sign at all for a stock at the bottom. Normally you'd see a distribution across the top here. You're seeing at the bottom there's a great uncertainty here. Higher high, higher low, lower high, higher low, just all messed up. Nobody knows what to do with this stock. Let's take a look at the weekly. You can see NIO is below its 200-week moving average, below its 20-week moving average, and really flirting with the 5-week moving average down here. Let's put on a different indicator real quick and see what we can come up with NIO and see if we can get a better idea with a linear regression. This is a 100-bar linear regression. This is a weekly chart, so it's going to be a 100-week regression, and we can see here's your 200-day, 200-week moving average flat. The regression channel, it's got good respect for it, sold off down here, rallied back up here, sold off here, rallied here. So it's got good respect on a weekly chart for this 100 bar regression channel. In the middle is fair value. Each one of these lines is 2 standard deviations. You can see it's right in the middle of fair value, and that's why you're seeing the distribution back and forth. In my opinion, they don't know what to do because it's trading at fair value. So this stock basically has got to come, and I know people hate to hear me say this, but it's got to make a move one way or the other and get the buyers in down here or the shorts in up here. And until it does that, until somebody takes a chance and pushes it, it's going to continue to do this little sideways that it's been doing for almost a month. Let's take a look at a weekly, excuse me, that's a weekly. Let's go back to a daily and see what it looks like on that. We see reasonable respect for it, not great up top, but good respect at the bottom. And you can see also right in the middle of fair value on the daily. Again, this middle line is fair value of a regression channel going back 100 days now on a daily chart. Let's take a look at the hourly. This is an hourly chart, 200-day moving, 200-hour moving average in blue. Not a great chart to look like on this 100 hours is not that far on an hourly, but let's take a look real quick. We can see respect at the top, at the bottom, at the top, and again, right at fair value. It's flirting with the 200-hour moving average right here, which is a good sign. You can see it's below the 200-day moving average, 200-hour moving average all the way since September 21st. It's got to get above that. It is a very weak position, just selling across. Nobody knows what to do with it. It's very hard to say what's going to happen with this because it is at fair value. In order to get a move on this stock, it's got to be pushed up or pulled back down, and then you'll get people in here and participants. My guess is this stock's probably going to rally up. And so I would put a target on it if it does of about 1160. And that's my best guess right now for entertainment purposes only, all in my opinion. The only reason I say that is it's been going down for so long, a rally's not going to hurt it. So that's, and just looking at it from a gut feel, I would say it's probably going to rally up here into the low 11s. Let's take a look and see what RVM Research says about it for tomorrow, the 25th of November, NIO. We've got no entry prices on it for tomorrow. And let's see what our 30-day algorithmically generated trend following system says for NIO tomorrow, all for entertainment purposes only. It's got a short at $10.74. It's a 30-day trading day hold. Get in tomorrow, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea for entertainment purposes only. Hold 30 days and get out at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you get it. Calling for a short on NIO tomorrow, the 25th at $10.74. Again, all entertainment purposes only. You trade at your own risk. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. If you want access to all of these entry prices, algorithmically generated, 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, and the most liquid futures contracts by 7 a.m., you can get them with a link in the description below to RVM Research. No credit card required, 14-day free access. And just put in your email address over there and get instant access, updated every morning before 7 a.m. Everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only, including my commentary and the entry prices. Can't use them for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for it, please leave us in the comment section below.